Good morning, girls. Welcome back to the session of English language. We are doing grammar, in which active passive voice is continue. Under which we have understood the meaning, like what is active voice. It means that a sentence has a subject that acts upon its verb. For example, like I am eating an apple. If we make it into the passive, then it becomes like subject object change if we apply. Then past participle form of verb, and then object. Subject becomes the object. So it becomes like an apple is, because it is the sentence of present continuous. So an apple is eat, ate, eaten. By, we have to add preposition by. I into me. Then I told you earlier, and it is written here, like normally we prefer active voice more than the passive voice because it is direct, straightforward in writing, and short sentences can be formed with the help of active voice. We saw these examples. Then if I talk about the passive, then it is always constructed with a conjugated form to be plus. And in verb we put past participle always. And also we add by preposition. So the above sentences will be in the passive voice like this. We already seen this everything, like in case of examples we have observed what to do in case of active, what happens with the passive. Then like direct object will be the subject as per the requirement verb form, and then the object along with the preposition by. Then the different examples are given that we already seen. Now in case of active, here certain examples are given. What happens with the passive voice? This we saw in the last lecture. Then I wrote some basic requirements to convert this voice. Like active subject becomes the passive object and passive object becomes the active subject. Use of past participle form of verb, preposition. Now we all have observed this conversion of active into passive. Certain rules are given, basic rules that we already discussed. Then we saw about the pronoun related changes. This whole table is very important. Now about this rule of auxiliary verb. Rules for auxiliary verb is in passive voice sentences are different for each. Use the suitable helping or auxiliary verb is, am, are, was, etc. The rules for using auxiliary verbs in passive sentences are different for each tense. For example, like the letter is written by her. A book was not bought by her. Chocolates are being eaten by them. Let us see certain examples to brush up your mind, like what happens with the active, and if we convert it into passive, then what conversion we observe. For example, he writes an essay. An essay is written by him. Sheena does the housework. The housework is done by Sheena. She cares for the rabbit. The rabbit is being cared for by her. You can remove this 4. Jacob always plays the guitar. It's about the simple present tense changes. The guitar is always played by Jacob. Now, let us see the examples of present continuous. Here what we do a change, like we have to use am is are plus being. Here we do like am is are plus past participle. Am is are plus past participle. This is the basic requirement. In the simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. In that case, is, am, are plus being, for the continuous tense being always needed, plus past participle which is required for the continuous tense. So we follow this format in the structure. Now in case of present perfect, like have or has plus past participle. Right? That we observe. Let us see the sentences. Has he done the work? Right now we are just observing the sentences with or in context with the tenses. દરેક અલગ અલગ કાળમાં કઈ રીતે ફેરફાર થાય છે એ અત્યારે આપણે જોઈએ છીએ. We'll observe about the question tags, imperatives later on. Has the work been done by him? Has, then the subject object changes. The work been done by him. Have they left the apartment? Has the apartment been left by them? Has, the apartment is a singular subject, so it becomes has the apartment been. For the perfect tenses, plus been plus. So that we have to add. As far as present perfect tense is concerned, he created this masterpiece. This masterpiece is created by him. He read the newspaper. The newspaper is being read by him. Except certain exemptions, no passive voice formation for the following tenses can be formed: present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Now we have seen almost all the changes related to the present tense. As far as present tense is concerned, now let us move on to the past tense. Ria paid the bills. How do you come to know this is of past? Because of the verb. So here the V2 form you will observe verb form of past tense. V1 that is the verb form of present tense, and V3 that is the verb form of past participle. The bills were paid by her or by Ria, sorry. The teacher called the student. The student was called by the teacher. She did not buy the fruits. The fruits were not by her, bought by her. Buy, bought. Next is past progressive or past continuous tense. Let us see some sentences. They were waiting for him. He was being waited for by them. He was being. Again, simple past like verb V2 in bracket was, were, plus past participle the teacher called the students. Here in this we observe like the student was called by the teacher. Past continuous tense, let us see. In that case again was, were, plus been, plus past participle. Astha was learning French. French was being learnt by Astha. Again subject object changes. Because of past progressive, past continuous tense, we have to put was, were as per the subject. Being, learn, learnt, learned. By whom? By Astha. She was playing kabaddi. Kabaddi was being played by her. Let us see the past perfect tense. In case of active voice, she won the match. The match had been won by her. Past perfect like had plus been plus past participle. See the second one. I had finished her work. Her work had been finished by me. He had missed the last metro. The last metro had been missed by him. So, I think now tenses related changes We saw about the present and past. We'll be seeing the future as well as question tags and about the imperative sentences. We'll be studying later on in tomorrow's session. So I'm ending here. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you very much and have a good day, girls.